Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to discuss a chapter called Units and Dimensions of Intermediate First Year. Let us go on. Firstly, before learning this chapter, we should learn what is physics, what the physics deals with, and how these dimensions are. Now, physics is a branch of science which deals with the study of nature and the properties of matter and energy. The subject matter of physics includes heat, light, sound, electricity, magnetism, and structure of atom. We think that the structure of atom comes under the chemistry, but it is also a branch of physics. For designing a law of physics, a scientific method is followed, which includes the verification with experiments. The physics atoms are made to measure the quantities with the best accuracy. So the can be defined as science of measurement. Science of measurement. Applied physics is the application of the physics to help the human beings in solving their problems. It is usually considered as a bridge or a connection between the physics and engineering. Before going to these units and dimensions, we should know physical quantities. What are these physical quantities? All the quantities in terms of the law of physics can be expressed and can be measured is known as physical quantities. For example, distance, speed, mass, force is a physical quantities. Now, physical quantities are 1 minute. Now, physical quantities are two types: fundamental physical quantities, derived physical quantities. Now, these quantities for what we use for measurement. So before going to learn that fundamental units, we should learn what is measurement. In daily life, we need to express and compare the magnitude of different quantities. This can be done only by measuring them. Measurement is the comparison of an unknown physical quantities with fixed physical quantities. Physical quantities is known as unit. Okay. So here only they given the unit definition. The quantity used as standard for measurement is also known as the unit. For example, this physical quantity, we say that the length of the room is 8 meters. We compare the length of the classroom with standard units called meters. Okay, physical quantity Q is nothing but number multiplied by unit. For example, we have a think this is a pen. This length is 10. I told 10. Is there any meaning for this? No. So without adding any units for this quantity, the quantity did not have any meaning. So if we add centimeters or meters or millimeters, there is a meaning for this. So the quantity with number and unit is only having the meaning. So measurement is nothing but comparison of unknown quantity with fixed units. Okay, as I told, physical quantity is numerical value into units. For example, this is the example, you can see this. Now we have some characteristics of standard units. A unit selected for measuring a physical quantities should have the following properties, that is, should be well defined, should not change with the physical conditions like temperature, stress, pressure, like that. It should be suitable in size, neither too large nor too small. It should not change with place and time. It should be reproducible. It should be internationally accepted. So remember these points and screenshot them. I'll post these notes in my YouTube channel. Please check out. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and educational videos. Classification of units. Already I told that there are two classifications, fundamental and derived. Firstly, what is this fundamental physical quantities? The quantity which is independent of other physical quantities in the mechanics, mass, length, and time are called fundamental physical quantities. Units of this fundamental physical quantities is known as fundamental units. For example, this is mass. We have 7 fundamental physical quantities. Few of them are mass, length, time. Okay. Derived physical quantities. Now what is this derived physical quantities? As the name told that derived, they are derived from the fundamental physical quantities. For example, if we take velocity equal to displacement by time. So displacement is measured as length by time, t. So length and time, as I told previously, they are fundamental physical quantities. So the quantities which are derived from the fundamental physical quantities are known as derived physical quantities. I hope you understood. The units used for these quantities are known as derived units. Now we have some systems of units such as CGS, FPS, MKS, SI. Don't confuse of this. The MKS CGS is MKS is a normal form, that means ancient. This SI system is modern, that means next version of this. So both are same. Don't be confused. For measurement of physical quantities, the following systems are commonly used, such as CGS system. In this system, the unit of length is centimeters. The unit of mass is gram. The unit of time is second. FPS. Foot, pound, second system. This is centimeter, gram, second system. This is foot, pound, second system. So as to measure the foot, pound and second. MKS is a system of meter, kg and second.